Ever wonder which e-commerce stock is quietly taking over the world? Let me introduce you to Global E Online, ticker symbol GLB. Global E simplifies online buying and selling across borders. They partner with giants like Shopify, FedEx, Salesforce, Wix.com, Meta Platforms, and Google to make international e-commerce smoother. This strategy is paying off big time. Over the past 8 quarters, Global E's revenue has skyrocketed, growing between 24% and 69%. Just in the third quarter, they pulled in $176 million, marking a 32% increase from last year. Their profits up by 35%, earning 13 cents per share. Analysts are buzzing with excitement. They predict a massive 105% jump in earnings for the fourth quarter, pushing the year's growth to 46%. By 2025, earnings are expected to surge by an astounding 167%, reaching 29 cents per share. Why the confidence? Global E has caught the eye of big investors. In the past 13 weeks alone, the stock has attracted significant investments, receiving an A+ rating. Trading volumes are high, signaling strong demand. After announcing their third quarter earnings on November 20th, Global E's shares spiked nearly 12% in a single day, and they haven't looked back since. The stock remains robust, supported by its 10-week moving average, suggesting more growth on the horizon. If you're looking for a solid entry point, analysts recommend buying at 57.85, so whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, keep an eye on Global E Online. This e-commerce powerhouse is making waves and could be the next big thing in your portfolio. Hit that subscribe button for more stock insights, and don't forget to like and share if you found this helpful. Thanks for watching. LeRoyBrown.k